It is a beautiful day at La Costa Circle in downtown Sarasota, where we have this very nice 2-bedroom, 2-bath condominium for rent. As you can see, everything's in fantastic shape. The place is clean. Plenty of cabinets in your kitchen. In-unit washer dryer. Living room. Dining table would go under that lamp right there, pass through to the kitchen. All of the decks in the complex have just been redone. So this is brand new deck, brand new screening, brand new railing, and look at the view. Gorgeous open area. Basically, the way the complex is set up, there's a large courtyard in the middle with all of the condo units surrounding it. If you can see right there where my finger's pointing, there's a swimming pool, and you can see a clubhouse, and we'll have still photos of those for you. Very quiet, very peaceful. So this would be the master bedroom. Good size. Walk-in closet. And on the other side, we have the second bedroom. Also a very good sized bedroom. Fantastic. La Costa Circle. For rent, 2-bedroom, 2-bath. Contact Real Property Management of Sarasota Manatee. And God bless you.